So finally, we have the B6.4 in our hands. The journey starts now. Super excited to get started with this, and it starts with you. I need your help. There's so many choices for this car. Where do we start? It was awesome out the box, but now it's time to make it even better. Roll the video. What do I need from you? What do I need from you awesome people and experts watching this video right now? Options, stock options, especially you USA guys. You love your stock over there. Titanium, lightweight, gearing, pink pinions, ceramic bearing. Wow, you guys made the right call. 77% of you voted on getting the B6.4. Now granted, I have had a B6.2 before, but the 0.4 is a whole different animal. I'll be honest, I have raced it once a couple of nights ago. I didn't film the experience because I just thought I'd be messing about with gearing, fixing any little issues that might come up from a new kit build, but TQ'd all 3 rounds, led the final start to finish. Consistency, as you can see right now, doesn't really get much better than that. It was sensational, should we say. Completely box stock, setup, options, everything that's in the box. That's where you guys are gonna come in. Lots of you guys run this car or have run this car or are thinking about running this car, and I want you guys to comment what options you're running, any do's, any don'ts. I want your feedback, your information. Yes, I could scroll endlessly on Facebook for this information or somewhere else, but I'm all about the community here, and you guys, you've got some awesome information, as you've already proven in many different videos and comments, so hit me up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a video next week. We'll put all of the answers, all of the options, all the recommendations together in one long video. We'll go through it all. Maybe you might pick something up. I certainly will pick something up. This car, it's got lots of running, lots of races coming up. Nationals next year, regionals next year, Milton Keynes GP, maybe even a little trip overseas. Who knows? But just check out how popular this car is. You all know that, I know that. I can see why now. So, options, body shells, gearing, aluminium parts, titanium parts, screw kits, Jconcepts, Exotec, 1UP. What do we go for? Let's get a list together. We're going to place some orders. We're going to get this car and myself doing the best possible racing we can do. We're going to film the journey and we're going to hit it. So all of you Team Associated users, guys thinking about getting the car, guys running the car, comment below what options, setup, must have, springs. Because I'll be honest, I ran this car box stock and I think I could run it forever as it is on that carpet track. But I know there's a lot more to get out of the car. So, tell me what it is. I will add, I don't know how much of a difference it made because I haven't done any other testing with this, but the Fusion Cactus front tyre, the new 2-wheel drive tyre, no insert, and the sidewall is glued down. That's successful, that combo. Try it. Try and keep that #1 sticker on there for a little while yet.